Inga. It's this side. Oh, perfect. Okay. So this is the little area that we will be having the wine. Super cute. Table for two kesana. The lighting here, it is so good. Struggling?
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. We're about to do redemption.
Where?
My lighting is not giving it. Oh my camera, come in.
Oh, this is so pretty actually. Like with pictures, it wasn't giving that much. Like I didn't like this area. It was my least favorite area.
I don't remember seeing it.
You don't remember?
Yeah. So dark.
So this is the Riesling. That is lease age for about 6 months essentially tanks. And then left on 6 months tanks still on the tanks. Yeah. So the one is not very sweet on the nose, but the palate is not dry.
Have you tasted it already?
No, I haven't. I'm recording. So I'm gonna start with this one. I forgot what they said.
Lay bubbles. I never.
Actually, I don't know what.
I don't know also. I also don't know. It's very. I feel like it's a bit strong.
I can tell. Let's try this one.
It's like all up in your face, tempo.
This one smells a little bit different.
It does. It does.
I've never
Smelled anything? Huh?
I've never smelled anything like this.
I think it's better than the other one. Than this.
Yes.
Okay, and this one? I think I still prefer the middle one. Then also it has no, I can't play leg and aftertaste leg. Also it is all yeah, you bug nati kunde chile. Makes sense. Okay, so we just had 3 different ones. To be honest, I don't remember which one, but I don't remember what they said. But the one that I like is this one. I don't even remember the name. The other one, okay guys, you know what? I'm not even gonna explain, but basically, so far we've been given 3 3 different wines that we can taste. Now, I'm not sure if they're gonna give us maybe 2 more of red, but for now we're just having white wines. There's one that is bubbles, which as bonagale that much bubbles are corner. And then there's this one. Okay, I don't remember the name of these ones. You guys are gonna have to forgive me. The view here, it is absolutely beautiful. I feel like where they placed us looks really nice. And when you actually check their page, you don't really, it's not giving. It is not giving at all. But once you're inside, it looks really pretty.
So it was done for 6 months, stainless 2 tanks, and 38 months in the bottles, just like the champagne way.
Okay.
So it's a brut. For me, I find it a bit black.
40% of the wine is matured in new French barrels, and then 60% is matured in the second fill.
And there's what?
In the second fill, meaning like the barrels that have been used
Before, okay.
the second fill, so they're being used for the second time.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is a berry press. It is extremely sweet at the tip of the tongue, but right at the end, at the back, it is very dry and more flavorful. It is called the wine of kings. It is like, you know, the #1 dessert wine in Africa, and we are in top 3 world, you know, best dessert wine. It is naturally sweet. The sweetness that you taste is like, you know, coming from the grape itself.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay. Let me take a thingy. Can I take a... This is the red, you know? But I feel like this one is just... It's just a...
This one looks very yellow. Let's try it.
Which one then is sweet? It's from natural grapes.
It smells sweet.
Oh, yeah. It smells really sweet. Oh, love it.
Yeah.
It is so sweet. I love like sweet wine. It's dry. Yeah. No, but I like this one. As much as it's a bit too sweet. And yes, guys, the percentage, the more 14%, 14.5. How about the Chilina? You don't understand. You have to be here to understand. Because wow, 14%. But I don't understand. But they buy them with 20%. And 20% wine. Fun and cognac. Hello, son. I'm 43. As a Jameson, this is my fridge. Hey guys, so we're back home and we're about to get ready for our dinner reservations. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera with me. I'll just try and take a bit of content with my phone. Yeah, you know, usually dinner's like intimate vibes and I don't want to be like taking out the camera, like, no, No, I don't want to do that. So I'll see you guys when we get there. I might not. Actually, no, I will take some content, but it won't be anything too hectic. I'll just show you what we got up to, and yeah, I'll see you when we get there. I wanna kill my boss. Pain in my heart.
I resign again.
And of course, I ordered dessert as always. We're still here. Guys, I'm having dessert. I think the toxic trait is that every time I'm about to get drunk, I order dessert. And I'm having dessert. I don't even remember the name of this thing, but it looks so good. And it tastes good. Yeah? Okay. Hey guys, so after last night we went to this other place called something lounge. No lounge, sit down. I'll show you guys snaps because I wasn't vlogging. I mean, we were at a club. It's a club, right?
Yeah.
Sort of, yeah. So right now it was fun. It was really fun. We enjoyed ourselves. So right now we're heading to the beach, and I'm with Inga. A friend might join or two, we're not sure. So we're just making our way. We're about to request, and I'll show you guys my outfit when I get there. It's looking really cute, all linen and stuff, all white vibes. Yesana. See you guys when we get there. I feel like I'm rambling.
The guy was driving, he's not
No, you want to make a movie on candy cane?
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hey bestie.
The faces of Lazola have been through a lot today. They experienced quite a lot of things.
Damn. Nice time.
After this,
We at Clifton Beach. Oh, what's going on? Oh, my camera is sand. The one is sand. We have such. Oh, my neck.
This is a camera. This is
There's lens protectors. Bed. I don't have a dead. So this is what we're drinking. We've never tried these before. We bought two. This flavor, rosé, and then this one. What's this? Sauvignon Blanc. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. My nails judge are so bad. Oh my gosh. Really? Like really? Mr. Muscle is holding.
because it's a great mission.
End of the house, Kaloksa.
I don't want to be a photo. I'm sure you're gonna like it way more. Yafana sana nervous
and I'm less about matching. Guys, I lost my shoes, so I put them there by the, what's this, the stones near the beach, and the waves took my shoes, so now I have to go home barefoot. Great, great, amazing. Is it not too far? Guys, let me zoom you in. So we just got back at the house, and I'm so tired. Like, I am so tired. My feet are killing me. And we, oh, this is my fault. And we passed by the mall, and we bought a few things. And we bought food as well because we were lazy to cook. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. And then tomorrow is another big day. I feel like all the days are like big days because we're literally doing everything we've been wanting to do. Not necessarily wanting to do, but like everything that we plan to do. So I'm quite excited. Tomorrow we're going to, first we're gonna go for breakfast with friends, and then go to an event which will be at Cabo on the 31st. Like, he hates me. And then on the 31st we're gonna do a yacht, and then later on we're not sure about the plans, but like everything's sort of like so follow your schedule basically, everything is aligning. And yeah, I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog what's this, the breakfast, because there's other people around that I'm not familiar with, and I don't like making people feel uncomfortable. I feel like I say this all the time, but like I think it's very, very important to always like make people feel comfortable. Like if I just pop up my camera and they're not reading, you know, it's gonna be a mess. Can actually please show me the place that we're going to?
I'll show you. Can you please open your phone?
What do you want? Do you want on my phone?
I'm not showing me. And it has said this one I don't get it. I even restarted this phone. Thanks God, and I wanted to delete them immediately, but something told me don't. I'll show you.
So right now after eating, I'm gonna quickly soak in a bath because I needed. We had so much fun, but like I didn't get to like vlog because I wanted to be in the moment. So yeah. I think I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I feel like my makeup still looks so good. Why do I still have these sheets here?
Fucking tourist.
Yeah, tourist son. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My makeup looks so good. Oh my god. Bye bye, guys. Hey guys, so it is, what's the day today? The 30th today, and we are heading out. So we're first starting with breakfast, and then we're gonna go to Cabo. I'm not gonna bring my camera because I don't want to be vlogging there. I will do it every time I vlog. I'm gonna do it with my phone. So right now it's time for breakfast, and okay, I don't know if I want to show you my outfit. I don't. I mean, it's just a white top and white pants and black and white shoes, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going with Inga, and we're gonna meet friends there, and we breakfast, and then from breakfast we're gonna go straight to the venue. Yes, a cab. So I'll see you guys later. These are the starters. So Yacht cruise to the package over a meal. So this place we paid how much, Karen? For something, for 450 or something like that. And then it comes with a meal, and then I took off my earring because it's just a bit too much. And I'm so sorry I'm vlogging with my phone because I don't want to be carrying a camera. This place is at City Grill, so when you pay for that package, put my name, the meal, which is now we're having starters, and then we're gonna have the main meal, and then the only thing you pay for is drinks. And then in the Yacht, they do sell drinks, which is great. And you drink when we had champagne, not champagne, sparkling wine. Champagne. We had bubbles, and it was 40 rand a glass, and so we paid a total of 80 rand. It was a nice experience. I actually did a good chat. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back home and we're heading out. Oh my goodness, Umdo is not getting a time to rest. Sana apa, but that's another challenge. So we're going out. Me and Inga, we're going to a chillers vibe. We didn't want to go to an event or anything hectic. There's one by indoors, so that's where we're heading to right now. Why is this lighting like this? It's the 31st today. Nah, bye bye, guys.
Coloring event. Every color was on top, was roaming on top. Every color was like pink, red, blue, black, everything. Color party, event color party. Yo, it was lit. Yo, Meguma, tell me if you like it. And then